from the hood, God made me human. I'm just trying to make it, I got a sense of humor. It's something special about me, and these niggas can't stop me, cause I'm a hood star, yeah.
What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? How y'all doing, man? Today is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I feel good, feel great. But today we have another vlog. Today we have a whole nother interesting vlog. Let me go ahead and get this helmet shit situated. All right, there we go. Man, as y'all been noticing lately, I've been dropping quite a few bike vlogs, you know, such as my other vlogs and things like that I've been doing. But today, you know, such as the bike vlog, we back on the bike vlogs, man. I got another interesting, super clean, nice, beautiful piece of equipment to show y'all. But before I show y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below. And definitely let me know. Right now, I'm in front of our grocery store, so it's kind of like a lot of people just like driving past. I mean, not driving, well, driving past and walking past and, you know, looking like they ain't never seen somebody with a camera. But I'm literally in front of the store. Let me show y'all. Like, that's the front entrance over there. So, you know, but besides that, man, let's get to it and show y'all what we're working with. Show y'all something very beautiful. This is a family member of mine. Another bagger. Another beautiful bagger that we got here with a 30 on it. With a 30 on this thing. So let's get close on the details. This is all black on black, y'all. This is black on black, 30-inch rim. And I actually watched how this bike was actually built. So I seen it come in. It was a little, you know, wrecked a little bit, but he actually took this bike and really did some things with it, and you know, blacked it out, and that's really the main detail on it, on this bike. But as you can see, oh, appreciate you, man. Hold on, my guy. Been a while already, but yeah, you know, that was one of my old childhood friends and shit went to school with. But this is the whole detail of this bike, man. 30-inch. I want to say that this is a 20, 21, 22. I want to say the year of it. But he got some custom music done to it. You know, I don't know too much of the details of it, but I just know what he's done to it. I know he put the stretch bags, the custom front, not the front fairing, the wheel cover. Got it painted, blacked it out, crash bars and things like that, and airbagged it, lights. I said music, then I know I said music. I think I said music, but you know, custom signal lights and things like that. The rake, I want to say the exhaust. He did some things to it, man. You know, this was his first Harley, so this is how he came with his first Harley, and I really want to come like this. And this look is just so amazing. So y'all know, don't forget to check out my other videos that I had with the other 32-inch bagger with my boy Sean. So I'm gonna do a video coming soon with the 32 and the 30 together. So y'all definitely gotta stay tuned for that. But as of right now, you got what you need?
Yes, sir.
All right. As of right now, we just cruising around, just, you know, getting this beautiful Sunday in and enjoying the day. But we about to jump on the road and see how this beautiful thing rolls.
About a million, I keep it a trend, Brazilian, the energy off. My image is got reaching deep in the pot. I got features of people like lost. Yeah, R.I.P. with me, TT. The melanin on me, my cheekbone is native. The soil is my wild walk. Some even on me, my nigga go figure. My enemy scoff. Admitted your energy off. My frequency killing you soft. I show people love to act like they above it, but switch when they see me, I'm lost. I tell the truth when I talk. This wanna be me. I used to sleep in the car. Now I got a crib down the street. Ay, young niggas made it so far. Ay, I never lose what I'm on. Ay, for now I'm cool being me. Ay, but I need you to match what I'm on. How you wanna play games when I won? Ay, I play with cash for the fun. Women looking at me, she think I'm needing her on. I'm doing me for me, hun. I never needed no one. I never bleed around sharks. They're saying you are what you eat, but she wanted me to be lunch. God body from the turf, my hair in the breeze. Some Farrakhan, keep the peace, I look out for me.
About what they say, I can't hear 'em from the clouds. I don't talk too much, but these diamonds talking loud. And I'm turning heads, got these bitches going out. About what they say, what they say, what they say. Yeah, I can't hear 'em from the clouds.
She ready to go. Oh, weak right now. How's it going, man?
Hey, bro. Hey, bro, that's the street that you go around, though. Oh, you want to back up?
She didn't waste no time, huh?
Keep it hot.
Yeah, you gotta put the other one. You good?
Hey, yellow. If I gotta go,
On the way back, open it on up.
pump that music up. Pump the music up, son.
Pump that sucker down when you come around that corner.
Hey, she just surprised him with that. Hey, she ain't afraid, man. A lot of people be afraid of the bikes.
That one with the big wheels in the front.
Exactly.
That's something that she don't even know.
Just came from South Park.
No, we just came from his house and just cruised around a little bit and got around.
Getting a little fresh air, huh?
Huh?
Getting a little fresh air.
Exactly. They riding, ain't they? I can hear the bike way over there. Yeah, it's one of them days, man. It's a beautiful day to be chilling too. She trying to put it back up. You like that?
Yeah, how you doing?
How you doing? She had her a good time, huh? Huh? Juice, huh? Yeah, that's the airbags on it.
Oh, man.
That's the whole damn deal.
I forgot to show y'all that these custom brake lights. I don't know if y'all can see. These just built-in brake lights with the Harley Davidson logo.
You said G1 Vision?
Yup, G1 Visions. Yeah, G1, the number one, then Visions with the S on the end.
On the Neil Robinson Ranch.
All right, y'all. So we can get ready to shake the spot again, get to another location, and you know, get y'all what I can get y'all. So I get back on the bike, just ate some good, I think he said Caribbean food. But with this hair and the helmet, definitely got to be modified before you put it on.
Oh, you built it?
Man.
Not personally, but had it built.
He's trying to bag up, but the bike is so heavy. He's kind of at a slope, so he got to go back forward. Ain't enough weight of pulling back. So he might need help being pushed back. Hold on. Got it? Hey, I see you were trying to rock it back and forth. Hey man, that's the thing you gotta get used to when you got a back.
Forever, I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Fuck with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure.
If he survived, he shot that first man, he died on that stretch. Deep down inside out.
You say what? We want to hear it.
So you want to hear it, huh?
What's going on? Stranger danger.
Come on, man. This key don't want to come out for me.
What?
He locked it. Oh, that's why. There we go.
Okay, with the same camera.
I'll say.
That is a nice
I said I can't even get
You look good on there, young man.
Get back, get back.
That's what you're gonna have to do.
Yeah,
man. So you know,
I would be so
that's the 30-inch barrier right here. You know, I just wanted to give y'all a quick video of, you know, what's new. You're gonna see quite often on the channel. Things like that. But let me give y'all one last look.
Like, how does this work? I'm like, what?
We can't figure out the loop though. What you mean?
And the thing is, he actually bought this bike off from an auction off of Copart.
It's like crisscross.
Copart.
You can make so she know that thing.
So yeah, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and end this right here. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next videos. Definitely stay tuned to it so we can keep y'all up with some more content on this. Comment down below, let me know. Subscribe to the channel. And most def, man, we got more coming. You already know. We won.
I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Fuck with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure.